What the fuck you doing? Better get that co-ass shit out here. Take your ass up the motherfucking hill. Go home.
Mama,
Shit.
I ain't even doing that.
Shit. I'm gonna get the fuck up out of my goddamn chair right fucking now. You own that goddamn COVID shit. I ain't
Mama,
gonna get it. I done got too old to catch this shit. Go.
I can't help it. I mean,
Get go. Go. Well, pop your ass. Shit.
you must be mad.
Hell yeah, I'm fucking mad. Get your ass up that goddamn hill, like I say. Hell yeah, I'm mad. You be on dumbass shit. I don't want this shit down here. Okay, yeah, I just done got fed up with your ass. I done got fed up. Do you hear me? I done got fed up with your ass. I know what I'm finna fucking do. I know what the fuck I'm finna do.
What?
I'm finna call Joe and tell me I'm finna get me a goddamn house. I'm finna move out.
Oh Lord.
Cause you on some dumb ass shit. You gonna find out. I'm finna buy me a home.